The best Z790 motherboards. Best overall Z790 motherboard, Gigabyte Z790 Aorus Elite Axe. Packing a twin 16+1+2 digital VRM design and 70A smart power stage, the Gigabyte Z790 Aorus Elite Axe delivers performance great enough to compete with the best motherboards while providing MOSFET heatsinks with a 6mm heat pipe, a 7.5 with MK thermal conductivity pad, and an integrated I/O shield to help dissipate heat efficiently. Additionally, a 6-layer 2x copper PCB design offers more headroom for CPU overclocking and effectively dissipates heat near the voltage regulators. It also uses Smart Fan 6 technology, which features 5x PWM fan headers for efficient thermal dissipation. Gigabyte Z790 Aorus Elite Axe features a dual-channel 4-DIMM DDR5 RAM, which ensures lightning-fast memory access of a total of 128 GB, reaching a maximum of 7,600 MHz. Comprising 4x PCIe 4.0 M2 slots and 1x PCIe SMD 5.0 with a PCIe EZ latch, top-of-the-line networking specifications come on board. The 4 PCIe M2 connectors, paired with PCI Express 5.0 support, ensure lightning-fast storage, easy accessibility, and management. Best high-end Z790 motherboard, Asus ROG Maximus Z790 Hero. The motherboard will allow the CPU to reach its optimum potential, featuring 8+8-pin dual Pro Cool 2 power connectors and 20+1 VRM power stages. ROG Maximus Z790 Hero comes with 4x DIMM DDR5 memory specification reaching a staggering 7,800 MHz frequency at the maximum, in addition to dual-channel memory architecture, ensuring lightning-speed memory access. Featuring 2x PCIe 5.0x16 slots and PCIe 5.0 M2 card compatibility, it will be one of the fastest memory specifications found in a motherboard. For improving the gaming experience, Asus provides its 2.5 GB LAN support chip and Wi-Fi 6E compatibility for smooth competitive performance without any lagging. When mentioning high-speed data transfer, the motherboard boasts 2x Type-C Thunderbolt 4 USB ports which can deliver up to 40 gigabits per second bidirectional data transfer. Best white Z790 motherboard, Gigabyte Z790 Aero G. The memory configuration packs 4x DIMM DDR5 specification with 128 GB memory reaching a maximum frequency of 7,600 MHz. Consisting of a PCIe 5.0 Express X16 slot, PCIe 5.0 X4 slot for M2, and 2x PCIe 4.0 Express X16 slots running at X4, the Gigabyte Z790 Aero G provides adequately fast storage options. If you require the fastest storage compatibility, there is nothing to worry about, as the M.2 slots, including a full-speed PCIe 5.0 M2 slot, will be there to cover it. A total of 5x M.2 slots ensure that the memory accessibility is quickest all around to improve performance and chipset utilization to the optimum level. Best value Z790 motherboard, ASRock Z790 PG Riptide. The Z790 PG Riptide motherboard is based on a 14+1+1 VRM architecture rated at a current of 50 A Dr. MOS for V-Core plus GT. It has a 24-pin ATX power connector with two 8-pin power connectors for the CPU. Considering the other entries in our list, ASRock Z790 PG Riptide's VRM design is not that robust but reflects the bang for the buck property. The Z790 PG Riptide comes with 4x dual-channel RAM slots that can house the latest DDR5 RAMs. These RAMs can provide a speed of up to 7,200 plus MHz when overclocked. The total memory capacity of the RAM can be up to 128 GB. Intel's Extreme Memory Profiles 3.0, XMP 3.0 feature on top allows easy RAM overclocking. Regarding the expansion slots, the Z790 PG Riptide motherboard comes with a PCIe 5.0x16 slot and a 1x PCIe 4.0x16 slot, which supports AMD's Crossfire technology. You also get a PCIe 3.0x1 slot that you can use to connect Wi-Fi modules, sound cards, and other small devices. Best Mini ITX Z790 motherboard, Asus ROG Strix Z790i Gaming Wi-Fi. Obtaining fast memory access from the motherboard will not be a problem, as the Asus ROG Strix Z790i Gaming Wi-Fi features a 2x dual-channel DIMM DDR5 RAM module with a maximum frequency reaching up to 7,600 MHz. It consists of 2x PCIe 4.0 M2 slots, one PCIe 5.0 x 16 slot, and a PCIe 5.0 M2 x 4 card slot, ensuring that the motherboard can optimally utilize maximum speed. In addition, a maximum of 64GB DDR5 memory is provided, which is substantial for a mini ITX motherboard. It also features an 8-pin Pro Cool 2 power connector with 10+1 VRM power stages, delivering 105A of power delivery, enough to run a 13th generation PC system smoothly. A 10-layer PCB layout conducts heat efficiently and ensures system stability, allowing for better overclocking performance. Best overclocking Z790 motherboard, Gigabyte Z790 Aorus Master. It feels almost unfair not to start with the Aorus Master Z790's arguably most impressive feature, its power delivery system. Equipped with a 20+1+2 phase digital power design, it immediately sets itself apart from the majority of the motherboards with a VRM design that surpasses that of even the highest-end motherboards. Of course, each phase is rated at 105A. To back up its impressive VRM setup, Gigabyte has made use of their advanced power delivery system, which features a PCB imbued in a nanocarbon coating, an aluminum backplate, as well as 12 with MK thermal conductivity pads. Lastly, an 8mm mega heat pipe is also present for efficient heat transfer. Runner-up for best value Z790 motherboard, MSI Pro Z790A Wi-Fi. MSI Pro Z790A Wi-Fi features a 4x DIMM DDR5 memory with a total capacity of 128GB with a maximum frequency reaching up to 7,200 MHz. The motherboard comprises 4x PCIe 4.0 M2 slots and one PCIe 5.0 x 16 slot, resulting in the users obtaining optimum performance and gaming potential coupled with the fastest DDR5 memory accessibility. Utilizing a 6-layer 2 ounces copper PCB layout reduces component temperatures and improves heat conductivity. MSI can provide such top-tier performance from a budget motherboard to present the gaming community with the best value option for their Z790 chipsets. Best runner-up overclocking Z790 motherboard, MSI MPG Z790 Carbon Wi-Fi. Z790 Carbon Wi-Fi features a flagship VRM design with a total of digital 19+1+1 power phases with a 105A smart power stage, which is quite a substantial power delivery even for a Z790 chipset. However, such a huge power draw can easily cause overheating. To counter this, MSI introduced an efficient VRM design with an 8-layer PCB design and extended MOS heatsinks, increasing the surface area for better heat dissipation. In addition, the MOSFET thermal pads ensure high performance and a better user experience. The M2 Shield Frozer plays a vital part in combination with the extended VRM design for a much more efficient thermal conductivity. M.2 Frozer Shield is a piece of aluminum with thin sliced thermal pads manufactured to cover the M.2 slot with thermal insulation of 7 with MK. Thanks for watching. Check the description for links to purchase any of these products.